the boss, there's no room for mistakes. Every mile, every minute, it matters. You're not just barking orders, you're in the trenches, working right alongside your crew. When trucks go missing and tools disappear, it's not just a headache, it's a direct hit to your bottom line. That's where Linxup comes in. With our GPS vehicle trackers, equipment monitors, and dash cams, you'll see everything you need to see in one app. You'll know exactly where your trucks are, what your crew's up to, and how safely they're getting the job done. No guesswork, no surprises. Just clear, reliable data to keep your business rolling smooth. And when you need help, you can count on us. You call us, you get a real person right here in the USA. Because when you've got equipment out in the field, crews you count on, and customers waiting, you need answers, not excuses. Linxup's here to make your life easier, your fleet smarter, and your crew more accountable. And when you're the one making it all happen, you need a team that keeps your business on track. And when you're using Linxup, we've got you covered every damn time.